Right, we're back at basefan.com. That's where we're at. Okay, we've got a short wheelbase Mercedes Vario, owned by the Power Network, purchased by me. I like to call myself a big time dreamer. My dream was to essentially restore it, put it into a nice colour, make it into a really tasty base fan. But resources, time, life has got in the way, and it's just been sat here for, I don't know, it feels like a decade. And now it's just time to let it go at whatever we can get for it. So we can presume that no one wants to use this as a cherry picker, right? There's other cherry pickers out there. Okay, this is a Vario. This wants to be used as a daily driver. I mean, the actual overall length is roughly, I think, it's about the same as my short wheelbase Sprinter, which I actually can't remember off the top of my head. I will actually measure this, but I'm going to go with about 5.5 meters overall length. So yeah, definitely a contender for a daily driver. If not, an awesome camper. Put some captain seats in the front. Take the bulkhead out. Captain seats, get rid of this horrible double seat, manky as hell. Driver's seat's pretty horrible as well. I mean, these are commercial vehicles. You know, it's not like the really nice ones that we get off the fire service and stuff like that. This is a bit rough and ready, but reasonable, sensible mileage, 137,000 miles or 222,000 kilometers. Bodywork is actually pretty good on this. If you are buying a Mercedes Vario that hasn't been dry stored or used by people that are wearing sort of slippers and gloves, expect that you're going to need some welding work done on them. And since we're selling this as is, there's certainly a little bit to do, but it's only cosmetic. I've been underneath this vehicle yesterday and I was blown away. Quick glimpse. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, a little bit of surface rust here, but yeah, nothing to scream about. Side loading door is in amazing condition. Like usually at sort of this age, we're expecting the bottom skins to be knackered, but it's really good. I just can't get it open. The mechanism's jammed, and yeah, I don't have an hour right now to get that sorted, so can't show you inside from that angle, but I can from the rear. Rear doors, by the way, are actually really good as well. So where do we need to do some welding on this fan? It's actually up here. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to put my foot on there, jump up, and that's what you call a grip, guys, like that. Just a little bit there. Really nothing too bad, because if you take the cherry picker off, you can have some holes in the floor. They're going to need patching up. You can have a hole in the roof. You could put a skylight in, but it's a big skylight, so you're probably going to have to patch that up. So whilst you're up there, patch up that side. I'm going to say the off side is probably going to want some work as well. Let's just go back to the old favourite grip. Oop. And we're up. So yeah, room for a bit of work on the back there, but not a huge deal breaker. Just done an inspection report. For the first time in my existence, I haven't been able to see what age the tyres are. Of course, with it being a HGV, these need to be 10 years or less. And yeah, I can't see a date, but based on the condition, I'd say that they're more than likely within the date. Certainly got fantastic tread on them. Right, let's go and have a look under the hood. And yeah, that passenger door did open surprisingly nicely, because the worst part about Varios, the mechanism inside here, and these door handles, they just get so stiff. Anyway, pop the bonnet. We're in. Usual cause for concern is the bonnet, and as you can see, the inner skin is intact. Bulkhead. This gets a 10 out of 10 for the bulkhead. I mean, this is almost a final edition. They went out of production in 2014, so it is certainly a late one. But yeah, the bulkhead's great. Inspection report concluded that everything's all good. Probably wants an engine service soon, but certainly for a drive home, it's going to be more than sound. Right, let's start her up. This startup is dedicated to Sarah, who loves the sound of Mercedes Varios just as much as I do. Wait for the lights to go out and crank. Okay, undo the driver's seatbelt and let's have a look at the batteries. Can I do this with one hand? Probably not. Right. I can actually. Okay, so it's got a couple of Bosch batteries on it. They seem to be in good condition. Well, put it this way. It was on charge the day before yesterday. I took it off charge and a couple of days later, it's starting without hesitation. Could do a capacity test, but once again, this moment in my life, I just don't have enough time. Anyway, into the back. Ooh, almost a bifolding door, not quite. Right, this all wants taking out. And yeah, listen, I've had, I don't know, maybe 10 of these short wheelbase cherry pickers. I think we've got 5 of them left. So for 5 of them, I removed all of this stuff, took the cherry picker out, patched everything up, and even actually had them painted. So yeah, all this sort of stuff would want taking out. So you've got a day of taking stuff out of this vehicle, just so you can budget for your time. Just coming around here, side loading door, something's going on with the mechanism, but it all looks to be reasonably intact. And there you are, Western Power. Okay. There's your ginormous skylight. And yeah, by the way, I won't be taking the cherry picker off at all. Once again, this video is all about my lack of time at the minute. I won't be taking it off, and I won't. If you offer me, if you offer this, if you take the cherry picker off, Rupert, you can keep the cherry picker and you can have the scrap money. I'm all right, okay? I'm all right. So yeah, that's the short wheelbase Vario. I just wish I was permitted more time in this life, because I would love nothing more than to see that parked up there somewhere, all looking amazing. So yeah, I'll get this on the ramp a little bit later. I'll do an underneath video. That should be on the website. And yeah, it's a pretty good opportunity for someone that's looking for a Vario. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.